On today's episode of MotoCheez.
I picked up this multi-function portable power station, 43200 milliamp to be exact, and it has a 120 volt 60 hertz AC output, or 220 240 volts at 50, QC3.0 outputs, solar charging capable, 150 watts, 200 watt peak. Let's check this thing out. I saw it and I said, wow, that's totally different. Got a flashlight, multi-function, USB-C 65 watt max, DC out, 3 USB-A, standard 5 volt 3 amps, and 1 QC3.0 USB-A, and it's got a 15 volt DC input. The user's manual. We're at 42%. Let's charge this thing up. %. Let's run some tests. What you doing, kitty? Let's see what this AC looks like. Alright, looks like a modified sine wave here. 120 volts, 60 hertz. Find something to plug in. Let's see if this QC 3.0 is actually fast charging or super fast. Fast charge. And the other 3 ports are standard. There we go. Super fast charge on the USB-C port. That's nice. I don't have anything to test that 12 volt port, but it probably would have been nice for them to have one of those adapters that go to a cigarette lighter, since that's the most common connector here. Let's find something to plug into the 110 volt. It has a polarized plug. This says it's 0.5 amps. Well, my tag's falling off. She's old, boys. What do you want? You don't have to hold it. You just tap it. Same with the power. I ran that. See if I'll run my big buffer. This one claims 10 amps. Oof, I don't know. I don't think it's going to run this one. We'll try. Nope. Put it all the way down, maybe? Nope. Might be good for laptops and razors and stuff like that. Maybe my Surface. Fully charged battery, but... Ah, MotoCheez got a new video.
On today's episode of MotoCheez.
We'll let the battery run down.
Like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear.
And we went through one video. Pull the battery down to 77%. Kick the fans on. So I guess you don't want to keep it that way. Alright, so it does work. You could probably charge your phone 100 times on this thing. Maybe not 100. So it's at 77%. 100% battery, we'll leave it go. Let this charge up to 100% and come back and check on it.
A few moments later.
Well, the Surface is fully charged and we have 71% left battery. Not too bad. Definitely awesome for hiking. Ah, So this also charges through USB-C. So that is a plus. I tried on solar, but we're not getting good sun up here now in Connecticut. Getting close to winter. Nice little unit, built well. Feels like the build quality is good on it too. Not bad, especially for camping and backpacking. It's small enough. If you like this thing, think about buying one. I'll have the links down below with a discount code for you guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.